Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HSGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. An update is probably not the right word to use. More so confirmation would be an accurate term. And the big old point of confirmation that we got after today is in regards to this green line that I talked about previously of support. And that sits right here at the 29-cent mark. I mean, you can see the price came down here and spent a whole bunch of time right around 29 cents. And then, in fact, the final 30 minutes right there, you can see the price once again bounced right off that area of support. So 29 cents definitely has been confirmed as that key level of support. So keep an eye on that going forward. And really from the big picture of things, as long as the price continues to stay above there, that is definitely, a good sign of strength and overall health for the chart. I get it. Yeah, it's pulled back from its highs, but keeping all this in a little bit better context here. Whoops, let's try that again. There we go. I mean, look at where this current sideways price movement's at, right? I mean, sure, right now things have pulled back and the price is just going sideways up here. But the previous time the price went sideways was right there. Previous time the price went sideways. Previous time, hopefully you're getting the idea. It's always good when these boxes keep getting higher and higher and higher. So yeah, right now, a little disappointing, probably a little boring, but you got to keep in mind the context of quote unquote, where is the boring taking place? And as long as the boring is, taking place higher than previous boring periods, well, hey, that's what you want to see. And that's what's going on right now. So as far as levels of resistance are concerned though, like I said, again, nothing new here to report. The previous level right here around 32 cents. Yeah, it was temporarily broken this morning, but that didn't last very long at all, and the price quickly flushed back below it. So 32 cents going to be that near-term level, and then again, from the overarching perspective, next key level up there at 36. So all in all, yeah, a little bit of a disappointing day, especially when you consider how strong it started during the first 30 minutes. But on the same token, it's not like it was a total train wreck day where the price is down at 22 cents all of a sudden. It made a nice move up, but then pulled back. But like I showed, within the grand scheme of it all, the price is still consolidating at a much higher level. So let's see if the bulls can just continue to do that and work on building an overall higher base. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.